Bottom ticket.
I just need some love in my life. We ain't got to fight. I was feeling alive. I was born all night. I got stabbed in my spine. And that's alright. How you gonna do this shit?
What's up, YouTube? Today, I have something new. We're gonna be working on a car. Alright, hey guys, it's been like an hour maybe. We've gotten not that much off. I mean, enough to get everything else off. We got this whole air intake, radiator fan, the reservoir, you know, just some miscellaneous pieces you need to get out the way. Like, you know, the fan, we got the EGR line, the front, you know, the trim right here. Yeah, so I could get posted. I accidentally stopped the recording, so half of the I just took out was not in the video. So, see you in a minute.
Yo, llevo en la mano mi tequila que activa mi sentido y me hace escribir alguna rima fácil.
Alright guys, we're here with Uriel's vlog, TZ family. We're gonna do the ROTC left face, right face challenge. We got the contestants right here. Attention! Left face! Left face! Left face! Right face! Right face! Right face! Right face! Left face! Right face! Left face! Right face! Left face! Right face! Left face! Right. Luis, primero. A ver, Raúl, ponte más para acá. Left face. Right face. Right face. Left face. Right face. Left. Tita. If you don't get your ass over here with the ooby the booga the ooga. Where you going?
You said right or left face?
You were good.
You were good, bro.
You were good, only Tita. Face. Left face. Left face. Left face. Left face. Right face. Right face. Left face. Right face. Left face. Left face. Left face. Oh. Left face. Left face. Right face. Oh, Alex. All right. We got the final two competing for $100. Left face. Right face. Left face. Right face. Left face. Left face. Right face. Left face. Right. Where you going? Tiptoeing through my window. Tiptoeing through my window. Face. Right face. Right face. Alright. My boy. Big Petro right here. Alright, we're gonna hang from the bar right here, right? Whoever hangs the longest wins. That's it, you just gotta hang.
I can hang 3, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. They look like monkeys. Watch it. Look at his toes, though.
Come on, Mom. Come on, Mom. Let's go. Now is the winner for the boys. You got this, Mom.
She's making her so happy.
Norma.
Come on, Isaac.
Norma.
Isaac.
Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac.
You gotta. Good game.
Y esta es una mezcla de México, USA, Nicaragua, cruzando fronteras. Si le gusta bueno, si no también. Ya lo sabe, móchate. Chingue su madre.